Good morning, everybody. Our first card is transformation is beautiful. That is the butterfly spirit. There is magic in the air, and we must open up and receive because our next card is 888 abundance. Um, there's been great worry over nothing, and there's good news coming our way. News that is going to bring a lot of people together with love, peace, and harmony. We have set up our boundaries, and we must stay looking forward in our own truth and our own integrity. The next card is courage, and we must take time out to heal. There's stability and efficiency from the Emperor spirit around in the air. There's deep personal strength and peace that assures success. We've stepped out of our comfort zones and we open to what's coming our way now. And the Spirit says that divine wishes are being granted. The next card is 1717, self reliance. Let Spirit be your guide. There are challenges that you can overcome. Withdraw from the drama of others and have patience with yourself and those around you. You are successfully overcoming problems. You have been through a lot of inner turmoils over the last few months, and you are following your own lights. That is bringing you to the peace and harmony that you need in your life. It's time to make choices now. You can either the spirit is guiding us and showing us the way. You can choose to be angry and disappointed and negative, or open up to opportunities of love and peace and harmony, and make commitments in your romances and in business that are in line with your truth. Our loved ones want us to know that we are lovable, and we need to love who we are and stay positive, they say. Everything is going to work out just great. Thanks for listening. Have a lovely day.